Hi guys, here's how to sign up on Upwork. So the first step is to open your browser and then just type in Upwork. So once you type in Upwork, you get the Upwork result right here. So just click on Upwork, and then once you click on that, you have your Upwork dashboard. And then right here by the top right, click on sign up. Just click on sign up, and then you'd have the option to sign up as a client or as a freelancer. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll choose to sign up as a freelancer. So I'll just click on freelancer and then apply as a freelancer, and then I'll just have to fill in my information. Okay, just choose a random email, a password, and then so once you fill in your information, click on create my account, and then you'll be required to verify your email. So you just have to check your email and then verify your email. And then once you verify your email, you can then move on to filling your account information. So right here it says your account has been created, and I'm just waiting for the email. I just verified my email, so you'd see the screen right here. You just open your mail, click on verify email, and then once you're done, you see this screen right here. So you just click on get started. Once you click on get started, you have to answer a few questions before your account is completely set up. Okay, so have you freelanced before? I'll say no. Okay, what's your biggest goal to earn my main income? How would you like to work? Okay, I like to find opportunities myself. I think that's much better. I'm open to contract or hire opportunities. You should also click on this because it means clients will be able to take you off the platform. Okay, then next you create a profile. Okay, so you can either import from LinkedIn or upload your resume or just fill it in manually, but I prefer to fill this out manually. So once you do that, once you click on that right here, you have to type in your job title, and it just depends on what you want to do. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you're a writer and you write about forex and crypto. Okay, or you're a forex content writer or a crypto content writer. I'm just using that as an example because right now it's very popular. So you just type that right here. um yeah, just type that right here. Okay, yeah, crypto content writer. And then next, you add your experience. If you've ever worked for any organization or company. Um, okay, so right here, I've just typed in a short bio. So right here it says, "Hi there, I'm a professional crypto writer with 5 years of experience, and I'd love to help you create stellar content to beat your competition and rank on Google." Yeah, this is a very short and straight to the point bio. So once you're done, click on choose your area of work, and suggested service is content writing, of course. But you can definitely choose any area of work you want right here. Okay, so next you set your rate. So as a beginner, it's best to set um an hourly rate of 10 or $5. And then just know that out of $10, Upwork will take $2 per hour. So you only get $8 per hour. Then next you set your location and then upload a picture and then input your address, and yeah, then your city. So once you're done with that, um and then your phone number, and then once you're done, you click on check your profile, and then okay, so once you're done with that, click on check your profile, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so right here we have the profile set up, and so if you have any specific experiences, any skills, any work experience, your education history, you can just fill that in right here, and then once you're done, you just click on submit profile, and then your profile will be submitted and created. It's very easy to create a profile on Upwork, and if you're interested in writing better proposals, improving your profile, adding your project catalog on Upwork, make sure you check out other videos we have on how to do all of this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.